Good morning, guys. It is 7:20 on a Saturday morning. I am just getting ready to go to the park run at 8 a.m. I thought today would be a good day to do what I eat in a day. So I'm just boiling some water, going to make a bulletproof drink quickly, and then hop on my bike to the park run, do the 5Ks, and then hopefully go to the farmer's market afterwards. Water boiling. Gotta grab the MCT oil and some butter and the bone broth. So good. And I'm just about to make my next video go live. So by the time this goes up, you guys will have already seen it. It was scheduled for 8 a.m., but I'm gonna be starting my run then. So I just like to post it manually if I can. And save. And that one's live. Now, will I be able to drink this in the next 10 minutes? Okay, finished my drink. I better get going. So rushed. I hate feeling like I'm forgetting something, but that is exactly how I feel right now. Ugh. I just got home from the park run and from the farmer's market. I was right in thinking I forgot something. I actually forgot two things. The barcode for my park run. My run didn't get timed and my time won't get posted on the website, which is a bummer because I did track it on my watch and I did actually get a personal best, so that's so sad. But anyways, what can you do? And I also forgot my membership to the farmer's market, which gets me 10% off. But that one's not too big of a deal. It is almost 10 o'clock now. Now I think I'm going to have a shower and then I'll make something to eat. So see you in a sec. Okay, I think they're almost done. That took less time than I thought it would. And there is the final product. I just put a little bit of goat's cheese and some pumpkin seeds, or I think they're called pepitas, on the sweet potatoes and the asparagus. Got my eggs, my mashed avocado, some spinach, just covered it all with salt and pepper again. This is honestly really random, but this is what I felt like. This is what I had in my fridge, so this is what I'm having. Honestly, I've been dreading coming upstairs because I have this monster pile of laundry to fold. And honestly, I never do this. I usually will do one load and fold it right away to avoid the situation I'm in right now. It is the best feeling when you finish though. Yay, everything's put away. It's a little bit later now and I'm just gonna have one of my hemp seed bars. that I posted in one of my previous videos. Guys, this is so exciting. So I just opened my emails and I see that the results of my park run are here. I guess the guy there wrote down my name when I said I forgot my barcode, and yeah, so this was my time, 23:22 for 5K. Woo! So it's a couple hours later, I think it's almost 3 o'clock now. I was just sitting around doing chores, folding laundry. I had some pots to plant, some plants to pot. Yeah, I just wanted to get outside, so I decided to go for a walk. I'm just listening to a podcast and getting some sunshine. And I'm not sure if I've mentioned this before, but I think walking is the best form of exercise. Anyone can do it. You can do it anytime. You can do it anywhere in the world. You don't need any equipment or anything. Oh my god, I feel so awkward just holding my camera and talking like this. So it is just about 5 now and I'm gonna start dinner. I am gonna be making a chicken cashew dish with, surprise, surprise, cauliflower rice. Here are all the ingredients I will be using. I'm going to grab the cauliflower rice out of the oven. Oh, so foggy. Got a little burnt. Oh well. Life hack. Do the dishes while you're cooking, and then there will be little to no dishes to do afterwards. Let's check back on this again. Oh yeah, so that's starting to get nice and sticky. So probably just 1 more minute and this will be done. Yum! Yum! This looks so good. Oh, can I serve myself while filming? Yes. Adding some sesame seeds. Whoops. Regular and some black sesame seeds as well. I'm gonna be extra fancy and eat with chopsticks tonight. And I think that's gonna wrap things up, guys. This will be my last meal of the day. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.